know, growing up as a kid, some of my fondest memories were getting out there in the dirt, digging holes, dropping seeds, and watching the fruit grow. And as I begin to get older and share my passion for gardening, one of the things that I found is that so many people that were doing it were experiencing a tremendous amount of pain. And I never associated something I love so much with pain. From the bending over and the picking up the bags to the shoveling, the wrist pain, the knee pain, the low back pain, because I get adjusted and I do core exercises. With chiropractic, if you're doing any hobbies like that or anything that's just your passion and you're doing repetitively every year and all of a sudden now it's giving you pain, chiropractic is the answer. What we do is we go in and we reduce the stress from that repetitive motion, allowing the body to function, heal, restoring and returning the body to its proper biomechanics, strength, and integrity. So you can be producing some positive fruit in your future. I'm Dr. Vaught, designing and delivering health on earth.